short, this tail lights went through a lot of designs and a lot of flaws. Then I had to wait until the paint dries, and then I had to sand it down. So that being said, I'm not gonna put every stage that the tail light went through. I'm just gonna show you guys some of the overview, and then we're gonna go straight down to put it on the car and see how awesome it looks on the car. Now, this project, this tail halo Ferrari look, because that's what I went with, was a complete success in a sense, but it was a complete disaster in another sense. This is my first beta project. Now, version 2 of my clear tails is gonna be bonkers. It's not gonna have all these flaws. Now that I have so much experience, we are going to assess the damage in the next video, but in this video, nah. So I'm gonna show you guys a little overview of what stages the tail light went through. And again, this is all part of the Spyder build. So enjoy, let's get to work.